Welcome back to Autosport Designs, Lotus Motorcars of Long Island. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Lotus Emira, a first edition car, spectacular Seneca Blue with ice gray Napa leather. Hop on in, we'll do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. So here we are in our 24 Lotus Emira. It's a first edition car, V6 automatic car, beautiful Alcantara steering wheel. Seneca Blue outside, ice gray leather inside. We'll do a little cold start, obviously fuel injected, foot on the brake, lift this lever here and push the start button. Fires right up. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, so we have a little temperature in our 24 Lotus Emira first edition. Again, V6 automatic. Great options on shifting here. You have the paddles. Well, first off, you can just let it shift by itself in automatic mode. There's an A on the screen. Then you can put it in manual here, and you get a manual mode up and down here. And same thing with the paddles, up and down on the paddles. Really nice options for how you feel like driving. And then right back to automatic mode. But this car with 2,300 miles on it, we sold it new. And now it's back, been traded back into us. Readily available, ready to be used. But brakes, steering, everything feels as you'd expect with a 2,300 mile brand new car. Very well optioned with the Alcantara wheel, 20-inch wheels, the ice gray Napa leather inside. Quite striking. The Seneca Blue outside. 2 keys, battery tender, window sticker. It's a great used new car. The Emira is obviously the evolution from the Evora, and they really just upgraded everything on it. Such a great driving car, so comfortable. Heated seats, Bluetooth streaming, Bluetooth radio, air conditioning, wireless CarPlay for Android Auto and Apple. Great infotainment screen here, great digital layout in front for the driver that adjusts depending on your drive mode. Right now we're in sport mode. Then you click it down, go to track mode. Beautiful layout of the gauge in track mode. Go back to sport mode. We're going to come up to the S's and we'll be back. Right, so here we are in the S's. Beautiful handling car. It's one of the things Lotus is very well known for, their handling. And this is no slouch at all. Great feedback, great feel. Quiet as could be as well. You get that little bit of exhaust note. We have the valve open in sport mode. You can hear the matching of the revs. That does it all by itself. If you downshift manually, it will do it as well. So we're going to come up here and we'll do a couple flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. You could probably tell with my flybys there that I definitely enjoyed it. These are such great driving cars, so rewarding, yet so docile, easy to use, easy to drive. I know I mentioned before with the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's a KEF Premium audio system, which sounds spectacular. Heated seats, so nice, so all year long usable. So we'll come up here and we'll take her up on the farm road. All right, so here we are up on the farm road. Get on it a little bit. The exhaust is open with the sport mode. Nice shifting. Really, the car is unbelievable. So nice to drive. The color really stands out beautifully. People love this color. So many people have given us a thumbs up. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I got the radio back on now, so I get to hear a little bit. So, like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.